recipe. My recipe is the kangaroo steak.
Es bellísimo.
How to make the kangaroo steak? The ingredients are 1 cup a good red wine, 1 teaspoon chopped chives, 1 garlic sede, 1 small onion, 500 grams of kangaroo sirloin, 1 tablespoon oil, and medium cooked cream. How to make kangaroo steak? The first step is combine with wine, chives, garlic, and chopped onion in a deep bowl. You need to cook the garlic. And whisk everything in a bowl. The second step, add the kangaroo and let it macerate in the fridge for at least 2 hours. The third step, heat the oil in the pan and add the meat. The fourth step, roast for 2 minutes over a high heat. The fifth step, if more cooked is preferred, roast for 2 more minutes. The sixth step, remove from heat and keep warm. The seventh step, add the maceration liquid and cream to the meat. Roasting juices, simmer and bring to the boil for 3 minutes or until the sausage thickens a little. The eighth step, wash the potatoes and peel the potatoes and cook similar to French fries. The ninth step, preheat the oven and put the French fries in it for 30 minutes. The 10th step, grate the cheese and put the French fries on top after removing them from the oven. And 11th step, and serve everything on a plate. Thank you.
Gang, gang, them bullets rain. If my mans fall down, he say no names. Respect the game for my niggas in the chain.
The recipe is crocodile. Ingredients: 1 kilo of crocodile, 250 grams of pork, 1 cup olive oil, 1 kilo of tomatoes, 3 garlic cloves, 500 grams of green beans, 1 kilo of rice to red peppers, 1 teaspoon of hot peppers, 2 liters of water, salt to taste. Preparation mode: in an iron container over moderate heat, pour the oil, salt, and garlic. When the garlic is golden, it is removed and discarded. Add the crocodile and the pork cut into 2 centimeters. When 5 minutes have passed, add the green beans, hot pepper, and the chopped tomato. Cook for 10 minutes and add the water and the rice. Cook for 17 more minutes over low heat. If it is necessary to add more water, boiling water will be introduced on the 17 minutes have elapsed. We put the cut red peppers in black ice. For a discovered touch, let stand for the last 5 minutes. Take it to the table.
This is our work. Thank you very much.
In the merry-go-round, even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child.